Hey guys, what's going on? I thought I'd come on here and show off the building of my Wembley replica from 2022 to 2023. Enjoy! For Wembley's foam head pattern, I used reference from Tough Pig's video from 8 years ago called Fraggle Patterns. Check it out. When covering Wembley, I used F3 Fleece from Dharma Trading Company, and I dyed it myself. This video shows a small movement test of Wembley, seeing how he flexes and stretches and what I could really do with the puppet. I know a ton of people are going to ask me where I got this fabric. I got this fabric from spoonflower.com. It's called Banana Trees. Go look it up and check it out. I got about a yard of this fabric to make his shirt. When working on Wembley's hair in this photo, there were 45 plugs on his head alone, not including green, and I believe overall there were more than 100 plugs for Wembley from his head, including his tail. The reason I'm asking for a tailor is because Actually, I might know someone. As much as you know, I need to learn how to make puppet clothing. The trouble is, I don't understand really the technology.
I made it. I made the shirt. I ended up making it. I'm lying to myself. I know how to do things.
Like it's one piece,
I made the shirt myself. I can do things. Don't ever tell yourself you can't do it. You can do it. I made the shirt myself. I didn't need a tailor.
So I'm wondering how they stitch it. How if it's machine. I know like the sleeves are machine sewn, but some parts look hand sewn. Some parts look machine sewn. So I'm probably gonna have someone who knows how to properly do it for him.
Sorry, I look dead. Oh, gee. I'm not, though. Don't think I am. Go, Bo! Boober? Oh, gee.
When working on Wembley's tail, I covered a piece of wire in batting and put a doll joint at the end covered in Nyla fleece, covered that entire thing in fur, and added the feathers in the end. Things I want to adjust on Wembley are his shirt and his head, but other than that, I am very happy with how he turned out. Wembley has been top tier on my list of building replicas for years now, and I am so glad that I finally got to build him. I really enjoy him. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with people if you like it, and I'll see you guys soon.
Squealy boink boink.
Down at Fraggle Rock.